In early childcare and education, a clean and safe environment for children and staff is very important. You can create one by purchasing and using the safest cleaning products available. You must clean, sanitize, and disinfect properly following the Vermont childcare regulations. Some cleaning and disinfecting products can cause or worsen asthma. Some are linked with cancer. Babies and children are more vulnerable to the impacts of toxic chemicals because their bodies are rapidly growing and developing. They breathe more air in proportion to their body's weight than adults, and they touch and explore things around them with their hands and mouths. People who are pregnant are also more vulnerable to these health impacts. It is important to know when to clean, when to sanitize, and when to disinfect. Cleaning removes dirt and germs from surfaces. Cleaners include products that are made of soap or detergent and water. Sanitizing reduces germs on surfaces or objects to a safe level. Sanitizers include chemical products or appliances with steam, like dishwashers. Disinfectants include chemical products and kill germs on surfaces and objects. Always clean first before sanitizing or disinfecting. Do not sanitize or disinfect something that only needs to be cleaned. Remember, sanitizers and disinfectants are more toxic than cleaners. Use the right equipment. Clean using a microfiber cloth and a microfiber mop. Microfiber removes more dirt and germs and requires less chemicals. If you do not have microfiber cloths, you can use a cotton cloth. Sanitize pacifiers and toys that have been in a child's mouth, surfaces used for eating or food preparation, and non-flushing potty chairs. Vermont childcare regulations state how often to sanitize. Remember, always clean before you sanitize. Choose sanitizing devices when possible to avoid having to use chemical sanitizers. Steam can sanitize floors and counters. Dishwashers can sanitize dishes and toys and pacifiers. Always clean before you disinfect. At the end of each day, disinfect door and cabinet handles, hand washing sinks and faucets, countertops, toilets, diaper pails, and drinking fountains. Use the smallest amount of disinfectant recommended. After applying a disinfectant, allow the surface to stay wet for the amount of time listed on the product's label. This amount of time is called the contact time. After the contact time has passed, let surfaces air dry or dry with a clean cloth. Not all products you can buy have been fully evaluated for all possible health risks. At a store or online, look for cleaning products with the green seal or Safe Choice logos. Look for disinfectants with the Design for the Environment logo. If you don't see that logo, look for a disinfectant with safer active ingredients, including hydrogen peroxide, lactic acid, citric acid, and ethanol. Products with these logos are third-party certified, meaning that a reliable independent organization has confirmed that they work and are made with safer ingredients. Avoid bleach and disinfecting wipes, like Clorox and Lysol. This can cause or worsen asthma. Do not buy a product that has the word danger or warning on the container. Some products have added chemicals to make them smell good. These are called fragrances. Choose products that are fragrance-free when possible. Often, air fresheners contain many very harmful chemicals, and although they may smell good, they can make the air quality around you worse. Childcare programs can go to this website to buy discounted products from WB Mason. Most stores also sell some Green Seal, Safer Choice, and Design for the Environment certified products. And there are other ways to keep your childcare facility clean. Put mats at your doors. Mats that are at least 4 feet long are best. They will catch some dirt that would otherwise come into your home or facility. Use a vacuum cleaner with a special filter on it. It is called a HEPA filter. This traps dust and prevents it from going back into the air. Remember, you can find more information about safer cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting at this website.